Rain or shine, snow or breeze, let's have fun outside the views. Every weather's got its charm, so come on out, there's lots of fun. When the sun is shining bright, let's play outside, everything's just right. We'll ride our bikes and fly a kite with laughter and joy, oh what a sight. When the sun is shining bright, let's play outside, everything's just right. We'll ride our bikes and fly a kite with laughter and joy, oh what a sight. Sunny days we jump and play, under the sun we shout hooray. Playing games, having fun, with the golden rays, oh we run. Pitter patter, raindrops fall, put on our boots and we'll splash through it all. We'll dance in puddles, jump so high, with our umbrellas we'll reach for the sky. Rainy days we splish and splash, jumping in puddles, having a blast. With giggles and grins, oh what a sound. In the rainy weather joy can be found. Fluffy white snowflakes falling down, let's put on our hats, we'll play all around. Making snowmen, having snowball fights, with winter wonder our hearts feel light. Woo! Whoosh goes the wind, let's run outside, with kites in the air, let's take a wild ride. We'll feel the breeze and let our kites soar, with laughter and cheer we'll always want more. Windy days we fly so high, kites in the sky, we're reaching the sky. Dancing and twirling, moving all around, with the windy weather, magic is found. So whatever the weather, come join the fun. Every type of weather is a chance to run. Sunny, rainy, snowy or breezy, playing outside makes everyone cheesy. Let's play together, it's a happy day, weather playtime is here. Hooray!